The next department I want to cover is Public Works. You appreciate the amount of construction that's going on in the city of Rowlett at this time and appreciate the function of Public Works. In addition to the construction, they're also charged with repairing and maintaining streets, alleys, and envision yourself driving down the street and think about all of the pavement striping, the buttons, the signage, the signals, the street signs, the caution signs, the school zones, the guardrail. All of that is owned and maintained by the city of Rowlett, maintained through our Public Works Department and our Street Department. The annual budget for this is $3.5 million, costs you roughly 19 cents a day, and is 7% of your allocation to operations. You know, this chart shows some of the optional services, and last year we partnered with our community through public improvement districts to improve some of the screening walls that you saw. We do make an annual contribution every year to our city's cash CIP that allows us to do a number of the maintenance that has improved the city streets over the last several years. We've got a sidewalk program that we're able to partner with our citizens to improve their sidewalks in their front yards, as well as build sidewalks with our school children in mind, filling in the gaps or creating sidewalks so that they can safely walk to school without having to do so in the streets. We also work with our department to maintain the screening walls that the city owns and maintains or shares backyards with that's located in the city's right-of-way with our citizens. And eliminating some of these services means we may not have some of the matching dollars, whether it's in a public improvement district, whether it's in our 50-50 program with our sidewalk. We may not be able to provide the same level of maintenance that we've been doing that could provide further deterioration of some of our resources if the funding for this department is reduced. This chart shows the amount of work that we've got going on. And if you've driven through town, you certainly appreciate the impact that the construction of President George Bush Turnpike in Dart has had. The Public Works Division, as well as others in the city, advocate on your behalf every day, working with the contractors and the owners of these projects, advocating for you, our citizens, to make sure that we have done everything that we can relative to traffic management to ensure that we minimize the impact of construction. But even at that, there's really no way to make construction less painful. It is what it is, but we do advocate on your behalf. In addition to that, we manage a $40 million capital improvement program that includes some of the programs that you see on the chart, whether it's the completion of Kenwood Heights, Princeton Road rehabilitation, a number of lift stations that we have. This department works with our consultants to do all of the design, whether it's for our water sewer infrastructure or our streets. This chart also shows you some of the components of our cash capital improvement program and some of the street programs that are worked on. Very, very busy and active department. Please complete the following questions, then proceed to the next section.